In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Amazon gift card balance correctly. Whether you're new to online shopping or just looking for a refresher, we're here to guide you step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your browser and head to Amazon.com. It's always a good idea to double check you're visiting the official site to avoid any phishing scams. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, you'll want to log into your account. To do this, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page, click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Go ahead and type in your email address and click continue. After that, input your password and click sign in. If you're having trouble remembering your password, Amazon provides some helpful options to reset it and regain access to your account. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Amazon dashboard. From here, you navigate to Account and Lists, which is usually located in the same area where you signed in. Hover over the tab and click on Account. This will bring up a host of options where you can manage different aspects of your account. From there, direct your attention to the gift cards option. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page dedicated to all things gift card related. Once you're on the gift cards page, look for the redeem a gift card option. Click on it and you'll see a box where you can enter the code from your gift card. Carefully type in your gift card code. Double check your entries to avoid any errors, as incorrect inputs might prevent you from redeeming it successfully. When you've put in the correct code, click on Apply to Balance. Your gift card amount will then be added to your account balance, ready for use. Now that your gift card balance is updated, it's time to shop. Go back to the Amazon store by clicking the store link or logo. Browse for an item you wish to buy. It could be anything from books to electronics, whatever catches your fancy. Once you've found the item, click on Add to Cart. After it's in your cart, proceed to checkout. At checkout, simply follow the prompts to complete your purchase. The great thing about using a gift card is that Amazon will automatically apply your available balance to the total cost of your purchase. If your total purchase exceeds your gift card balance, don't worry. You can easily cover the remaining costs with a credit card, debit card, or another payment method. And that's it, you've successfully used your Amazon gift card balance. Thanks for watching and enjoy your shopping experience.